Right, last of Thundrick's profiteers to do, which is Enrik Ironhail, a thematic volley gun. Gotta love the idea of that. It sounds cool, doesn't it? Right. So we need 29 and 30 to begin with, which is his head, and his gun. Now, just looking here. I'm going to assume that's a little bit of webbing on this side. Let me just check. No, it's not. Just it looks like a bit of webbing for a second, but it's not. Okay, 30, the end of the gun. Make sure that's all nicely cleaned up. There's a few to each places. This goes downwards like so. And then we need 28, 31. One over here, and then his base, and it looks like this is another easy build, 32. Yeah, there we go, nice and simple, eh? I was worried this last one was going to be a pain, but not a problem. All done, nice and simple. Hey. Right, come on, pop on, and then we're done. And there we go, that's our last one, Enrik Ironhail with this thematic volley gun. And that's all the Thundrick's profiteers finished now. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. See you next time.